What's up, guys? You guys ready for some Mosaic retail finally? It's about time. Drop a line in the comments on who we got tonight. Let's go Jets, okay. Pull me a T-Law. Have I? No. I haven't pulled one tonight. I did some, hobby boxes, first off the line boxes, and no huddle boxes. Not too many Lawrences. Cardinals and Lions, let's go. Oh, yeah, I mixed it up. I just got done doing a playoff break, and I pulled a Amon-Ra St. Brown auto, and I thought that you had that, but it was in the Mosaic you had it. That sucks. Mac Jones, T-Law, Jets. Got the guys with the quarterbacks tonight. Yeah, Chris, I pulled Amon-Ra St. Brown. I was like, oh, Chris, nice hit. Whoops. You had the Mosaic. All right, by the way, guys, I am doing another box tomorrow afternoon, and then I'll be doing another one on Saturday night and another one on Tuesday night right now, but I'll be doing retail Mosaic for the next couple months. But right now we have a Cello box. We'll get the pink camos going. Hopefully we can get some hits in those. Bring back a lot of nostalgia to last year, and I did Mosaic Cello breaks left and right last year. There might be Philly, but I offered it to somebody. I don't know if he bought it or not. Hold on a sec. I'm going to leave it for him. All right, here we go, guys. Let's do it. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck. Let's get some hits. Let's get some colors. Let's get everything. All right, starting off the night with a James Robinson, Myles Garrett, Julio, Parker, Lockett, Crowder. I'm going to leave it for that guy. Thanks for asking, though. Caleb Farley. We have our first green. Joe Montana. There's a Herbie Will to win. We have a Hall of Fame Barry Sanders silver. These are like the same as basketball. Dax Milne and a Christian Barrymore. Yeah, thanks for asking, though. Appreciate it. Pink Zach, I don't think the pinks are numbered, but you never know. Jerry Jeudy, Dickerson. Usually the third card is either a rookie or like an MVP, so let's hope for a lot of rookies. It is a rookie. It is Azeez Ojulari. First pink rookie in retail. I think I'm the first break on eBay, so. Our first pink camo that was pulled was an Azeez Ojulari. Let's get a Genesis, eh? Eh? I'm from Wisconsin, if you can't tell. All right, box 2, we got a Lamar, Walter Payton, LaVisca, Max Crosby, The Bus, Jerry Rice, and a Peanut Tillman. There's a Kyler, green NFC. There's a King Henry Bang. Touchdown Masters, A.J. Brown, green Mosaic. A Tutu and a Gary Brightwell. Yeah, it would be nice. Pink pack number 2, we got a Joe Montana. Oh, they're putting the ETNs in the second. Oh, there's back-to-back rookies. Nice. Kenneth Gainwell. And a ETN. Well, they snuck 2 in on that. Usually that doesn't happen. Looks like we got an extra rookie card. ETN 2T. Come on. Wow, that pack is fighting. Wow. It's one of the hardest packs I've ever had open before. All right, here we go. Pack 3. There is a silver of something coming up. Joe Mixon, Kyler, Drew Lock, Evans, Marshawn Lattimore, Aaron Jones. There's a Tom Brady, Patriots, Chargers, green, Austin Eckler, Mike Evans, touchdown Masters, Emmitt Smith, silver, will to win, Des Fitzpatrick, Jalen Camp. DeMarcus Lawrence, got another rookie. Christian Barmore in the second, and a Super Bowl Joe Montana. We're getting a lot of Joe Montanas. Christian Barmore pink there. Usually the rookie's in the third card. Panini's mixing it up. All right, we got a Cortland Sutton, Jim Kelly, Tyler Boyd, George Kittle, Thielen, Ray Lewis, Walter Payton. Green, we need a rookie. Nope. Bobby Wagner, green. A Bang DK. Alvin Kamara, will to win. A Khalil Herbert, and a Stevenson. Man, not hitting the big rookies yet. Last year, we've been thrilled with a Tua pink. Caleb Farley, and a John Elway Super Bowls. I think they're going to be packing these pinks with more rookie cards this year, it looks like. All right. Panini lost the contract in, 4 years from now, so they're just giving up now, apparently. Dan Fouts, Chase Claypool, Winfield, Strahan, Ruggs, Big Ben. Ooh, we have a rookie. Is this? Oh, very nice. Let's go. We got a silver mosaic, Justin Fields base. Very nice hit. Oh, and right behind it, we have a green. Wow. If we get a silver here, that'd be something. We have a Herbert, will to win again. Javonte Williams, silver prism. Eric Stokes, and a Devontae Smith base. Wow, that was a pack. Wow. Back-to-back Fields in green and silver mosaic. Very nice. Look at that. Back-to-back cards. Silver mosaic. Green. Fields. Sneakily good silver prism Javonte Williams as well. Yeah, we do. All right, Jared Goff, pink. Ooh, look at that. Trey, wow, what a pack. Trey Lance, base, pink. The Dan Marino. So that pack had a silver mosaic Justin Fields, a green Justin Fields, and a pink Trey Lance. Craziness. That was the heater pack right there. Hopefully that's The start of something big. All right, we have a J.J. Watt, Melvin Gordon, Rodney Harrison, Tannehill, DK, Marcus Allen, John Elway. Green, Curtis Martin. I like the green on green there. Better player would have been nice. What we got here? We got a Got Game, A.J. Brown. Julio Will to Win. There's a Mac Jones for you. Jamin Davis. Mac Jones base. We're hitting the base cards, not the debuts. I like that. All right, Larry Johnson, Kenny Galladay, Gary Brightwell. I will do a review of all the pink auto rookies, as well as the other hits we get here. No Lawrence and no Wilson yet. But we hit the. Oh, we got a Genesis. We got a Genesis. Yeah. Humphrey, Jones, Biletnikoff, LaDainian Tomlinson, Joey Burrow. There's a Jamar Chase debut. Good luck, everybody. It's a rookie. Oh, is that a Trey Lance Genesis? Let's go. It's a debut, but still. It's at least $1,000 card right there. Wow. Just pulled a Trey Lance Genesis. That's by far probably going to be the best Genesis I pull in all my breaks I do. Minka, Green, Kurt Warner. Man, that was almost going to... I thought that was going to be a Justin Fields. Terrace Marshall, Jamar Jefferson. Pulled a Trey Lance Genesis. Wow. That is a bang for sure. Whew. What a Cello box. This is the best Cello box better than any Cello box I ever opened last year. Julio, Jalen Reagor, Noah Gray, pink. Can't believe we pulled the Trey Lance Genesis. Derek Brown, JT, OBJ, Tua, Russ, Josh Jacobs, Sertan, Green, John Riggins, got a Dan Marino Hollow, Josh Jacobs bang, silver, Stevenson, and Asante Samuel. James Robinson, Chris Godwin, and Elijah Moore, pink. Still can't believe we pulled a Trey Lance Genesis. It's crazy. I think we got 4 still to go. All right, we have a Dwight Freeney, Cooper Kupp, Jerry Rice, JJ, Kelsey. We have a Tony. Another silver coming up. Come on, rookie. Nope. LaVisca. I thought it was a Jags. I was hoping to see that RC. LaVisca. We have a Greg Newsome green. Got Game, Derrick Henry. Dalvin Cook, Touchdown Masters. A Davis Mills base. Chris Evans. George Kittle, Dax Milne, and a Russ. Kurt Warner, Peyton Manning, Godwin, Lamar. There's a Wilson debut. Kyler. Got a silver Drew Brees. Amari Rogers, green. Darren Waller. There's a silver prism Brandon Cooks. With a Felton and a Peyton Turner. Let's save the three. We'll save the last three pink packs for the end. Crazy that we pulled a Genesis, and it was the Genesis we pulled too. Jake Plummer, Peyton Manning, Dickerson, Joe Montana, Dalvin Cook, Russ, Joe Montana. Green, Drew Brees. Baker, Touchdown Masters. We have a green Mosaic Got Game, AJ Brown. Larry Roundtree, and a Michael Carter. Last base pack here. We got a Nick Chubb, Nook, Cam, Jamison Crowder, Calais Campbell, Mahomes. There's a Fields debut. One more rookie green. Nope. Jamal Adams green. We have a Got Game DK. Derek Carr, Silver Mosaic, Got Game. A Zaven Collins and a Kellen Mond. All right, last three pinks. Walter Payton, Nico Collins, and a Trey Sermon. Two rookies in that one. There's a Lamar. Adam Thielen. And a Jason Witten. And the last one. Stephon Diggs. Russ. And a Keenan Allen. All right, review time here. What a box. All right, here are all the pink rookies. We had Nico Collins, Trey Sermon, Dax Milne, Elijah Moore, Noah Gray, Brightwell, Farley, Barrymore, Etienne, Gainwell, Ojolari. We had a Davis Mills base. We had a couple will to wins of Herbie and a Devontae Smith. And then the big hitters. We had the Javonte Williams Silver Prism, Fields debut, Zach Wilson debut, Jamar Chase debut. Mac Jones base. We had the pink Trey Lance. Silver Mosaic, Justin Fields. Green Mosaic, Justin Fields. And by far, the card of the night, Trey Lance debut Genesis. Very nice. I will get this shipped out tomorrow. So Niners, you can decide what to do with that card. Hopefully it's a 10. I guess I didn't really inspect the corners. It looks centered left to right to me. So you look at that space right there and that space right there. Looks pretty centered. I don't know how much raised it has to be on the bottom. If that's raised enough, I'm not sure. Corners look good to me. I don't know what that, hopefully that's not a mark on the card right there. I think we'll see that black right there. See what that is. Very nice. All right. Like I said, I will get this shipped out tomorrow. I appreciate you guys, and I am doing another Cello box break tomorrow night, or tomorrow afternoon. So hope to see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, take care. I will put the replay up right now for you. Have a good night, guys.